Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video, I will be doing an unbagging of my Ipsy Plus. So if you are interested, keep watching. Alright guys, and if you do not know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly beauty subscription service. You can get a $12 bag a month, and it is guaranteed to have an estimated value of $50. It's usually like sample products. Then we have the Ipsy Plus bag, which is $25 a month, and the estimated value of this bag is usually over $125. Then there is the Glam Bag Ultimate, which is $50 a month, and then the estimated value of that bag is to be over $250. So let's get started, and let's start unbagging. I'm so excited. Me and the kids are going shopping today, so I'm wearing my sporty clothes. So excited to open this and see what I got. Oh, and this eyeshadow, I did an eyeshadow look. I used the new Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette. My video should be up, so if you want to check out that video, I will show you some swatches and a review of that eyeshadow palette. So let's get started. So I know there's no card in this bag, so I will have to look at my phone or computer and read you about the products. So September is September 2020, Good Vibes, Ipsy Good Vibes. It says this month, radiant positivity, from trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color. When you embrace the season of change with an I got this attitude, the results will be out of sight. So let me pull this up on the website, and then so I could see what items I got and the value of that item. And I always forget that if y'all interested in joining Ipsy, I always leave my code in my description box of my video, so check that out if y'all interested. So let's pull out the bag, and this month, oh, it's like a, what is this called? This is like a corduroy. That is, I'm guessing, like a velvety corduroy. That's what only thing I can think of is corduroy back in the 80s, the pants we used to wear. So that's what it reminds me of, but it's real pretty. I like how they come in the drawstring bags now. So let's see. So the first item I pick up is going to be Yenza Color and Face Skin Bronzing Base Sunlit Glow Bronzer and Brush Duo. So, your go-to duo for a natural sun-kissed glow. This two-piece kit includes Sunlight Glow, a lightweight skin cream bronzer, paired with a skin-perfecting silk bronzer brush. Okay, so this is a bronzer and brush duo. It says the cream bronzer gives skin the ultimate sun-kissed glow, even if you didn't make it to the beach for Labor Day. The lightweight, silky texture blends into skin seamlessly to make it look like you've just come back from a long vacay and not like you're wearing makeup. The Good For You formula is infused with 8 age-defying superfoods to hydrate and nourish your skin every time you swipe it on. It says the full size MSRP for this item is $50. So this is the bronzer, and then I'm guessing it comes with a brush. I love brushes though. It says Yenza So it says Yenza. I'll open it up. That's real pretty. Look at the detail. I'll open it up, but look what it looks like. Smells like a foundation. Oh, we'll test it. It's a cream bronzer. It's really nice. It's light. It looks like it'll be good for my skin tone. I can't wait to try it. And then it comes with a brush, which it says Silk Bronzer Yenza. So, oh, it's soft. I love soft brushes. And I like how it's not that big. It's good for getting in there and doing that little detail work of your bronzer. So let's get to the next item. The next item I pick is by Wander Beauty, the Wanderlust Seascape. So this is an eyeshadow palette. Let me check it. It says, while you'll love it, get instant vacay vibes with the Seascape Nude palette with 6 shades inspired by tropical getaways. It'll be love at first swipe. The long-lasting crease-free formula are made with antioxidant-rich and hydrating sea buckthorn extract and sunflower seed oil and feel insanely soft too. The mix of foil, shimmery satin, and matte eyeshadows in carefully curated shades create the ultimate go-to eye palette for summer and fall. Alright, so let's see what it looks like. It's a really pretty packaging. It's like water, the beach. Okay, so it comes with a little mirror, and then it has 6 shades. Really pretty. It looks like it's got 4 shimmers, and these mattes, maybe like a semi-matte. But it's real pretty. It does give summery vibes. The MSRP for this item is $25. The next item that I pick up is going to be Face Visage by Truss. So this is, let me check. It says the 2-in-1 bronzing and contouring stick deserves a permanent spot in your makeup bag. It has a creamy buildable bronze color on the end and built-in angled contour brush on the other for easy blending. It's totally customizable. Start with a light touch for a sheer application. Want to take it up a notch, add additional layers until you find your sweet spot. The vegan and cruelty-free formula, I can't talk today. The vegan and cruelty-free formula is infused with hydrating coconut oil to leave your skin moist and dewy. The magnetic cap stays put even it's bouncing around in the bottom of your bag to keep your product fresh and your makeup bag clean. The full size MSRP for this item is $28. So this is just a bronzing stick. That's the color. It's really cute. Look, it's like a little pencil. It's just like their lip crayons, which I love their lip crayons. I think I'm wearing one right now. So the bottom is a brush. So personally for me, whenever I'm using cream products, I like to actually get my brush and hit that cream product and then apply it to my face. I don't really like to use it and then buff it out. So I don't know if I would get use out of this. Because it's like that. Now, if it was detachable, maybe. I don't know if it's detachable. I don't think so. But I definitely will try it and let y'all know how it works. Let me swatch it for you. So that is a nice shade. That does look like it would be good for my skin tone. So I'm very excited to try it. I like it because it's on the go, too. This is something that you could take. And look at this. And that is so cool. Just the little things, right? The little things that count. All right, so up to the next item. Oh, I got a beauty blender. So let me read you, but we all know what this is. So this is the original beauty blender. The hype is real, y'all. This award-winning sponge is a staple in every makeup artist kit. It blends makeup like magic. Sure, you know what a beauty blender is. I personally do not even own, I have never tried this original beauty blender because I have so many other blenders that are a lot cheaper that work so good. So, and I'm a brush girl, so I love brushes. I use brushes for everything. But I can't wait to try this because this is award winning. So the full size MSRP for this item is $20. So it better be working miracles if it's $20 for one sponge. That's my opinion. So let's see. They had one item that's not in this bag. I'm guessing it won't fit. Okay, so the next item is going to be Complex Culture. Finally, a 2-in-1 that doesn't skimp on performance. The uniquely shaped brush head is designed to set, bronze, and sculpt. Luxurious, dense Syntec bristles that hold onto pigments and blend them out seamlessly. Use the flat side to pick up setting powder and gently press over makeup and the flip tip for additional warmth and a bit of bronzer, or in the hollow of your cheeks to the sculpted effect. The velvet matte finish handle means it's comfy to hold and gives you full control over your product application. It's vegan and cruelty free. The MSRP for this item is $35. So this is the box. Really nice packaging. And this is the brush. It comes in a little case. All right. And it says Complex Culture. That is the brand name. This is the brush. It's really soft. I would use this kind of brush for powder. Like loose setting powder or something like that. Or maybe like to bronze. It's a little big, but it's nice and soft. I love brushes. The handle is very pretty. I mean, look at that. It's very pretty. So I'm loving that brush. All right, let's add up everything and see what we got. We got the Truss. I don't even know if I'm saying that. Truss bronzing and contour stick. That one is $28. Then we got the beauty blender, which is $20. Then we got the Yenza bronzer with the brush. And those two was $50. Then we got, what else we got? We got the Wanda Beauty eyeshadow palette, which was $25. And then last but not least is the Complex Culture brush, which is $35. And the total estimated value of this bag is $158. So let me know what y'all think. Do y'all have any of these products? Have you tried them? If you have any questions, just let me know. And this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell to receive any upcoming videos that I will post. You will get notified for. And until next time, guys, stay blessed.